that the burden of foodborne diseases was affecting children under the age of 5 and persons living in low-income countries. Food safety has a critical role in assuring that food stays safe at every stage of the food chain, from production to harvest, processing, storage, distribution, and all the way to preparation and consumption. And yesterday I had the honor to visit Arif in his office, and I was so impressed with your presentation, Papa. And I was telling him, actually, Indonesia is much ahead of the curve already at the international level. At the moment in the world, with an estimated 600 million cases of foodborne illness annually, unsafe food is a threat to human health and economies, disproportionately affecting vulnerable and marginalized people, especially women and children, populations affected by conflict, and migrants. An estimated 420,000 people around the world die every year after eating contaminated food, and children under 5 years of age carry 40% of the foodborne disease burden, with 125,000 deaths every year. So this magnitude of public health burden due to foodborne disease is comparable to that of malaria or HIV/AIDS. Over 200 diseases are caused by eating contaminated food with bacteria, virus, parasites, or chemical substances such as heavy metals. So this year, the theme of the World Food Safety Day is Safer Food, Better Health. This theme reminds us that we should focus on the ways in which safer food can improve health and well-being, not only our physical health, but also that of animals and environment. Nowadays, we talk about One Health, the human, animal, and environment interface. And attention will also be given to the ways our food system as a whole to need to improve so that we can grow, trade, and consume health and nutritious food. We have to really remember that it's not safe, it's not food. There's no food security without food safety. Only when the food is safe, it will meet nutritional needs and help people to live an active and healthy life, and the children to grow and develop. Food safety has a direct impact on health. Safe food allows for the uptake of nutrients. It promotes long-term human development and achievement of the SDGs. And most foodborne diseases actually, they can be manageable if we handle the food properly with proper education. So food safety nowadays is everyone's business, and we need to collaborate together to improve food safety. We need to share the responsibility, and we need to work together because it's affecting us at all levels, globally, regionally, nationally, locally. Collaboration is therefore essential across all the sectors so that people can have safe and nutritious food all the time. We have to invest in food safety that will ensure our future. Safe food production improves economic opportunities by enabling market access and productivity. The safety of food is affected by the health of animals, plants, and the environment. And adopting a holistic One Health approach to food safety will deliver a better food system. And I would like to give you an example. In 2016, between 2016 and 2018, FAO and WHO, they worked together with the government of Indonesia to assess the national food control system. And the government of Indonesia was very keen to measure the system's performance and measuring its effectiveness. And this assessment was using this evidence-based approach based on Codex principles and guidelines for national food control system. And I'm happy to tell that Indonesia was the first country at the global level to use this assessment tool in Asia. And the results provide new avenues to work together on food safety. The results of the study was released with a series of recommendations to various government institutions that needed urgent follow-up. So FAO, as a part of the UN family, will work together with the government of Indonesia to improve food safety through better coordination ministries and departments, developing a robust regulatory framework, and assisting in the implementation of good practices from farm to fork. So this means this whole food system. And FAO would also work with the farmers, the private sector, other actors in the value chain, and the national non-government organization to ensure food safety for consumers and to increase trade in agricultural commodities. Terima kasih banyak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.